got it all the way up there. Almost got it.
I
Look how
know.
far back we were.
I know.
Fuck,
Like,
this is crazy.
take a picture of the hole.
Right off, eh?
Oh.
Yeah, it's okay. Fuck, what else are we gonna do? It's fine. I can replace the bumper and shit. Must be the lighter. That's smoke. Yo, we almost had it. We were so close up
I
there,
know.
babe.
I can't believe you turned it around down there like
Yeah,
that
you
and
see?
plowed right
We
through.
went in.
Yo, show people that the hole you cleared out. No, back up. It looks like a UFO.
No, I know. Look, so you can see all the track marks all the way down here. So I fucking reversed her and fucking turned her and got her over here. Holy shit. Yeah, she's going though. Here, pass this one.
Okay. All right, guys, we're roping it up. This guy says he's not
Yeah.
responsible for the bumper. That's okay. I really want to have smoke. I'm trying. Give me. Okay.
Nice, man.
Here. Whoa, whoa. Yo, put these on.
I got gloves.
No, put these on. They're in the car here. Put those on.